English for Everyone. Coursebook. Level 3, Intermediate. Lesson 44.
Ben, can I have some popcorn?
Yes, you can.
Excuse me. Could I sit here, please?
I'm sorry, but that seat is taken. May I take your coat?
Yes, thank you. Can I borrow your pen?
Sure. Here you go. Excuse me, could I have a glass of water?
Of course. Good evening. May I reserve a table for 7 p.m.?
I'm afraid we're completely full this evening.
Can I borrow your car, Harry?
No, you can't, Joe. I need it today.
Excuse me, do you know where the station is?
I'm afraid I don't know.
Can we go soon? The show starts at 8 p.m.
Yes, when I've finished my coffee.
May I suggest we meet in the restaurant at 7 p.m.?
Yes, that sounds perfect, Miss Elliker.
Could we postpone our meeting until tomorrow?
I'm sorry, but I have meetings all day.
Can I have some cake, Auntie Mel?
Yes, you can.
Could I please order a dozen red roses?
I'm sorry, but I've sold out.
Could I please have the last sandwich?
Of course. Enjoy it.
Can I borrow your laptop?
No, you can't. I need it.
Excuse me, may I sit next to you?
Yes, you may.
Could I speak to Ranjit Singh, please?
I'm afraid he's busy.
May I offer you a cup of coffee, Mrs. Soto?
Yes, please.
End of lesson 44.